Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore HTML paragraphs. So first let's save this file as HTML paragraphs. Now the save as type is already HTML, so I am not writing here the extension .html. Now let's save it. Now what are paragraph tags? Each paragraph tag starts with p tag, ends with the p tag, and the content goes inside it. Here, this one is a paragraph which starts with a p tag, then the content goes here, and then it ends the p tag. So let's delete everything and write here, say, my name is John. Let's save it and open it in a browser. See, my name is John. It's a paragraph. First of all, I need to tell you that this is a block element. Now, what is a block element? That will be explained in our later lectures. But for now, just remember that p tag is a block element. Now, I want to show you something. Say for example, you give here tons of spaces and then you write I like jam. Then you go to the next line and write, say, I also like cheese. And just before cheese you have again tons of spaces. Now let's save this document and let's take a look in our browser. So come to our browser and hit refresh. See, it has neglected all the other spaces except one. If it finds consecutive spaces more than one, it will take one space and it will ignore others. And also, you have entered here new line. It also ignored it. So if you think that you are writing any paragraph, you need to write in a proper fashion. Say for example, you want here a line break. So you need to provide a line break tag. Now let's save it and take a look in our browser. See, my name is John, I like jam, I also like cheese. Now what if you want the same formatting as in here, like it may happen in poem. Say for example, you write a line, then you go to the next line and you write I like jam, then no break. Again in the new line, I also like ... cheese. I mean dash cheese. I mean, what if you want the same pattern as in here? You need to write here pre instead of p. Save it and take a look in our browser. See, my name is John, I like jam in a new line. I also like, again spaces, then cheese. Now you can ask that from where these spaces are coming. These spaces are coming from these spaces. Let's delete these spaces. Now save it and take a look here. See, my name is John, I like jam. Here we have no space, then again here we have some spaces. This space is from here. So what are the things that we have learned in this lecture? One is, using paragraph tag you can write paragraph in a proper fashion. So you don't have to worry even you have given mistakenly two spaces or more than one space. You don't have to worry about that. And even if you have entered a new line by mistake, so you don't have to worry about these kind of stuffs. It will take only one space and it will ignore others. And if you want to have a new line, then you need to provide the line break tag. that is the BR tag. And what if you want the same formatting as in here? Enclose your text inside the pre tag. So you need to use pre tag instead of p tag. Does it sound similar? One is p tag and the other is pre, that is pre. Okay, so that's it. So let me copy this one and just here let's just paste it, and instead of p let's write here p. So when you will be downloading the files, you can see and you can remember, oh, that's p and that's pre. Okay, so let's save it and take a look in our browser that how it differs. See, this is the normal p tag. It has taken only a single space and it has ignored other spaces. Here also you have entered a new line and that's taken as a single space. See, and here using the pre tag you are getting the same formatting here and here also. So that's it, friends. I hope that you have learned a little bit regarding this paragraph tags. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we will see some other computer codes. Yes, those are known as HTML computer code tags. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.